Hello, pre-algebra. Welcome to our final topic, the surface area of prisms. So what is surface area? It's the area of all the surfaces on a shape. In this case, we're going to be talking about rectangular prisms and triangular prisms. So here are the different shapes. If you cut them up and lay them flat, this is what all the shapes. You have 6 rectangles in a rectangular prism, 3 rectangles, 2 triangles in a triangular prism. I guess my camera's in the way. Lateral area is just the area of the sides. We're not really going to be dealing with that, but that's what that is. Surface area is the area of all the possible surfaces. These formulas here are pretty much garbage, so what we're going to do is not do those, but I'm going to teach you a way to do it that just logically makes sense. There's a formula I will show you, but it's not either of these. Okay, so how do we find, looks like I have some ink down there. How do we find the surface area of these 3D shapes? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to find all the possible rectangles. So up front here, this is 1.3 by 1.2. Over here, this is 1.4 by 1.2. And then, okay, did that one. I got to do the top one now. These are all the ones you can see, 1.3 by 1.4. I had to go to the bottom to see what's on the top. With rectangles, the sides mirror, so opposites are equal. Now, if you notice, if there's a front, there's also a back. So we're also going to do times 2. If there's a right side, there's also a left side that's the same, times 2. And if there's a top, there's a bottom that's the same, times 2. Okay. So as I do these, 1.3 times 1.2 times 2, I get 3.12. And 1.4 times 1.2 times 2, 3.36. And 2 times 1.3 times 1.4, 3.64. So now what I'm going to do to find the total surface area is add all these up. Plus 3.36 plus 3.12, and I get 10.12 meters squared, because it's area, surface area. It's 2D space on a 3D shape. Now with triangular prisms, what you want to do is find the triangles, and then there's 3 rectangles. So let's start the triangles. It's half the base. The base is right here, 5. I guess I'm trying to write a 5 there. And then the height is 12. The 13 will be, well, I wrote 13. The 13 will be used for and remember there's 2 of these, so we're going to put a 2 in the front here. The 13 will be used for the rectangles, not the triangles, okay, because it doesn't meet at a right angle. You have to find that right angle. This 13 does not meet the requirement. So 2 times a half is 1, 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 12 is 16. Okay, now the rectangles, find all of the possible rectangles. So on the bottom, I see 13 by 15. I see 15 by 12 on top. That's a 5, not a 6. And then I see 5 by 12. Whoops, let's put it like this. Notice all of them have a 12 because this connecting side is part of all of the rectangles. Okay, so this is 180, 195, and 60. Add them up. Not 60. Yeah, is it 60? Yeah, 60. 2 60. 495 feet squared. Okay, so make sure I didn't miss anything. All right, down we go to this problem. We need to actually find how much paint can cover this triangular prism. So first we need to find the surface area. Okay, so I'm going to go a little quicker here. I'm going to find the 2 triangles. Half times 2 is 1. 1 times 2 and 5 are the base, so that's 10. The bottom rectangle is 4 by 5, so that's 20. The right side rectangle is 2 by 4, so that's 8. And the top side is 4 times 5.4, which is, I don't know, I just typed it in my calculator. Added them all up and get 59.6 square feet. Now, it says every quart covers 100. We only need 59.6, so buy 1 quart. If you have any questions, see me in class, message me on Canvas, or shoot me an email. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson.